Twist the side power switch of the robot. Emergency stop switch behind in the front of robot. When the rear indicator light is red, means robot turned on. Unscrew the emergency stop button of the remote control box. Press the power switch. The controller screen lights up and displays a full-way screen. Remote control box be turned on. At this moment, the rear indicator light is green. The car body and the remote control are successfully connected. Dial up. Turn on the brake button. Brake indicator light is green. Brake release. After the brakes are lifted, motion control joystick can be toggled to move the vehicle. Flip the light switch. Enable vehicle alarm on/off. Toggle the alarm switch to turn on and off the vehicle alarm. Throat spray switch to realize the vehicle's self-spray opening and closing. Press the water cannon control button. Achieve the directional movement at the water cannon. Press the gimbal control button. Achieve gimbal direction movement. Press the add and subtract buttons of the gimbal control. Achieve gimbal zoom. Press the direct or spray mode in the water cannon control module. Toggle the alarm switch to turn on and off the vehicle alarm. Achieve the transformation of water cannon form. Press the angle button of the water cannon control button. Then press the water cannon arrow button. Let go after selecting the direction. Achieve water cannon self-swing. Small screen standby screen in the middle of the remote control box can achieve the opening and closing of car lighting alarm, etc. Click on the main page of the small screen in the middle of the remote control box. View the data of the robot. Click on the small screen status information in the middle of the remote control box. Vehicle status can be viewed. Click on the small screen IR control in the middle of the remote control box. Enter the vehicle running and blister control interface. Click on the small screen setting in the middle of the remote control box. Enter vehicle and gimbal speed settings. After the robot obstacle avoidance is turned on, obstacle detected, the lights behind the car are flashing. The display screen on the left side of the remote control box displays the vehicle body power information. Open the charging port on the left rear of the car body. Connect the charger and tighten the interface. Plug in the power connector. Charger light flashing. Start charging.